Hello students, this is your computer class and I am Hema. Today also we'll continue with chapter 1 functions. Last class we studied subroutines, functions, parameters and arguments and types of parameter. I think this topic is clear. Today's content interface and implementation, pure function and impure function. Now we will see each topic one by one. First topic is interface versus implementation. An interface is an set of action that an object can do. Implementation carries out the instruction defined by the interface. Let us see an example for interface and implementation. When you are driving a car, if you want to increase the speed of the car, what you will do? You have to press the accelerator. We are not worried about how the engine works, how the speed is increasing. When we press the accelerator, the speed of the car increases. Here, accelerator is implementation and the instruction how the engine is increasing the speed is interface. So, an interface is an instruction that makes a particular thing to work. Implementation is the button used to carry out the interface. Understand clearly, interface is defining the object what it will do. It has to be implemented using the button. When you want to watch a YouTube video, what you will do? Will use play, pause and stop button to watch the video. We are not worried about how it is created. Here, the video how it is created is interface. The buttons which we use to watch the video is implementation. Now we will take interface as a class. Class is the combination of variables and member function. When the class has to be executed, an object has to be created. An object is the instant of class. I think interface and implementation is clear now. Now we will see the difference between interface and implementation. Interface just define what an object can do but won't actually do it. Implementation carries out the instruction defined in the interface. Next topic is pure function. Pure function is a function which gives the exact result when the same argument are passed. Let us see an example. If square x, square is used to find the square value of x. If we give x value as 2, it will return 2 into 2, 4. In a pure function, if the same argument is passed, we will get exact answer. Here, strlen is a function which is used to find the string length of the given string. If the string is given as computer, what is the length of the string? How many character it has? It has 8 character. String length is a pure function because it will not give different result for same input. Now next topic is impure function. In impure function, the variable used inside the function may cause side effect through the function which are not passed with any arguments. Example, random function. In random function, if you give the same arguments, we will get different result. This may cause side effect. Now we will see another example for impure function. Time function which will display the current time. When we run the time function, it will display one time now. After 10 minutes when we run, it will display the different time. So time function is also a impure function. Chapter 1 Functions. The first topic is subroutine. Subroutines are the basic building block of computer programs. Subroutines are small section of codes that are used to perform a particular task that can be used repeatedly. These subroutines are called as functions. Second is function. A function is a unit of code that is often defined within a great code structure. Then function specification. When you want to specify the function, you have to give parameters and argument. Parameters are the variable in a function definition and arguments are the value which are passed to a function definition. Then parameters, we have two types, parameters without type and parameters with type. Next one is recursive function. A function definition which call itself is called recursion function. These are the topics we saw in the last class. For today's class, interface and implementation. An interface is a set of action that an object can do. We saw example for this. The next one is a class declaration combines the external interface, that is local state, with an implementation of that interface. An object is an instant created for the class. Here interface and implementation is explained with class and object. Then the difference between interface and implementation will be interface just define what an object can do but won't actually do it. Implementation carries out the instruction defined in the interface. Then next we have is the characteristics of interface. The class templates specifies the interface to enable an object to be created and operated properly. An object's attributes and behavior is controlled by sending functions to the object. So here we have the example, that car example for explaining interface and implementation. The next we have is the pure function. Pure function are functions which will give exact result when the same argument are passed. The example given is sine 0, then square x. These two are the example given. A pure function provides it should not have any external variable which will alter the behavior of that variable. Now here this is string length function. String length is given as a pure function because the function takes one variable as a parameter and access it to find its length. This function reads external memory but that does not change it, and the value returned derived from the external memory access. So this I have already explained. String function is a pure function. Next one we have is the impure function. The variable used inside the function may cause side effect through the function which are not passed with any argument. In such a case, the function is called pure function. And the example I gave for this impure function is random numbers. How to find random numbers? And second example I gave is clock function to find the current time. Each and every time when we are using the clock function, we'll get the different time. So that is why it is called as impure function. So now the difference between pure function and impure function. Now what will be the difference between pure function and impure function is, in case of pure function, if we give the same argument, we'll get the same output. But in the case of impure function, if you give same argument, there will be different answer. Second point is there is no side effect in case of pure function. There will be side effect in case of impure function. Third point is they do not modify the argument which are passed to them. They may modify the argument which are passed to them. So these are the difference between pure function and impure function. So by this the first chapter gets over. Remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Thank you.